Good Sunday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on around the area. We've got showers and thunderstorms already making their way through the mountains well, actually through eastern Tennessee and into the mountains. And there you see all the lightning involved. There's quite a bit of lightning. And we'll see this system continue to track east toward our direction as we go through the day today. They're following this low pressure system, this front, and they're going to ride in behind it here. And as they get closer to the area, our risk for strong to severe storms actually will increase as we go through the day today. We'll talk more about the potential severity of it shortly, but let's go ahead and turn off all this data real quick. And I want to show you what you can expect in terms of what the models are showing. And we're just going to turn off everything that's actually showing up right now. As you can see, there were some flash flood warnings in effect for some areas in Tennessee, as well as some severe thunderstorm warnings as well. Okay, now that we've got all that off, let's go ahead and get in closer to home here real quick. And we'll turn the model data on so we can show you what we're expecting here. And this is as of 1 p.m. this afternoon. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. You can see the line of strong to severe storms starting to make its way into the county. And my biggest concern with these, and let me turn on my drawing tools to show you, is how these have a lot of kinks in them. And what happens with that is, you know, you kind of think about a garden hose and how it can kink up. But what that is indicating is you've got areas of strong winds that are pushing through. And so you got winds going, you know, where it bows out like this, pushing out ahead of everything else in the storm. And inside of it, you've got these winds that are kind of lagging behind, and it starts to cause rotation in between the pockets of stronger wind that's pushing out. And so that's what we have to look for, because that could lead to some brief spin-ups with some brief tornadoes around the area today. Now, that doesn't mean that we'll see a tornado here in Rowan County, because obviously, as you know, they're very hard to predict as to exactly where they're going to potentially land at. But what we can kind of predict is the fact that the potential is there for some tornadoes to be produced out of this line, because it's what we call a QLS, which is a quasi-linear system. And what that means is basically it's got some winds that'll bow out in front of it and really kind of kick this thing into high gear as it moves through the area. So let's go ahead and get all these drawings out of the way that I put up here. And so this is, again, 1 p.m. We'll take you hour by hour now. 2 p.m., there you see some strong storms making their way through the eastern part of the county. This is now 3 p.m. and the line has moved off to our east at this point. By 4 p.m., we're going to be watching a secondary line forming in the mountains here as well. And as we head to 5 p.m., there you see that secondary line is going to try to make its way through the county. So you could see a second round of strong to severe storms move through as we head into the early evening hours. And right here, you could see some potential hail. That's up in the Davidson County area. But there, you know, these lines are indicating that they could have some hail in them as well. And then as we head to 8 p.m. this evening, things start to really dry out. And we'll dry out as we go through the first half of next week. Let's back this up, though. I want to get back to 1 o'clock because I want to show you now the hail potential. So this is 1 o'clock, and there you see the yellows, the blues and yellows indicating where there could be some hail. And the brighter the color gets, the larger the hail could be. So that's 1 p.m. This is now 2 p.m., 3 p.m. It's kind of moved off, but that's again with that first line. Now you see the second line forming that could have some hail involved in it. And look at this, by 6 p.m. this evening, we could see quite a bit of hail falling around the county if this comes to fruition. 7 p.m., things start to lighten back up again. And then again, by 8 p.m., we clear back out and start to dry up. And now I want to show you one more thing with this, and that's the lightning. And you can see here, so this is 1 p.m., not a whole lot going on in terms of any concerns for frequent lightning with it. Not to say that we won't see quite a bit of lightning. Now, here's that second line, and there you see lightning intensity really picking up, but not in our area. It's more to the north of us. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that as well. Let's go ahead and take a quick break. We'll get a word from our friends at Visit Rowan County. We'll come back. We'll give you the weather impacts for today. We'll talk about the level of severity we're looking for with these storms from the Storms Prediction Center. We'll give you the photo of the day. I've also got a video from yesterday's severe storm that came through Cabarrus County and into Concord and dropped some heavy or large hail down that way as well. I'll show you a video of that from the Carolina Mall. We'll talk about the pollen outlook. We'll talk about the mowing forecast, and we'll talk about the 5-day forecast as well. We'll be right back.
When you're ready to travel, let's give it another go.
The weather impacts for today, sponsored by Patterson Farm. The virtual tour is going on right now, the Buzz on Bees tour and the Strawberry tour. For more information, visit pattersonfarm.com and schedule your virtual tour today. We'll see strong to severe storms possible as we move through the day. Winds will be out of the southwest at around 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts as high as 35 miles an hour. Now, that's not including the potential if we see a severe thunderstorm issued. Severe thunderstorms can be issued if winds reach in excess of 58 miles an hour in terms of gust as well. So, again, we'll keep an eye on that. Main threats from severe weather will be damaging winds and large hail, and we can't rule out a chance for a few brief tornadoes around the area. Again, not saying that could happen right here in the county, but we can't rule it out. So we'll continue to keep you updated on that as we go through the day today. The severe weather potential by the Storms Prediction Center, and you can see off to our west and southwest, marginal risk in that dark green area. The yellow area is slight, and as you can see right here is Rowan County. We'll go ahead and turn on the drawing tool real quick again and just kind of put a circle around it so you can see we're right in the middle of that bullseye for the slight chance for severe weather around the county, and then an enhanced risk off to our northeast up near the Chesapeake Bay area of Virginia and some northern border counties here in North Carolina as well. So again, we'll continue to keep you updated on that. It is possible that the Storms Prediction Center could adjust this. They could take the slight risk and move it further east, or they could take that enhanced risk and move it further west and southwest. So again, we'll keep an eye on it. It's all going to depend on how quickly these storms move through the area and through the county as to what the Storms Prediction Center will do with these risk categories as we move through the day today. So let's go ahead and continue moving on here. The photo of the day submitted by Susan Beck Thomas. I believe this is down at the new ballpark in Kannapolis, and you can see this is a photo of the severe storm that moved into the Cabarrus County area yesterday in the Kannapolis, Concord areas like that. And speaking of that, let's take a look at this video that I got sent to me, and I'm hoping I'm pronouncing your name right. I believe it's Alicia Philman, and this is from the Carolina Mall, and this is from the hailstorm that moved through down there yesterday. And she's got video, and you can see some of the hail pinging off the side of her window there and off some of the vehicles as well. I'd say in this area, there was a lot of quarter-sized hail recorded, but in some areas of Cabarrus County, especially along the western borders over near Mecklenburg County and toward the Huntersville area, there was some golf ball-sized hail reported there as well. So depending on where you were, these hailstones got quite large in nature as they moved through the area. The pollen outlook sponsored by Goodnight's Lawn Care. Mowing, trimming, seeding, mulch, pine straw, some of the services they offer. These guys take care of my lawn, and I love it, and they can take care of yours as well. For more information on services provided, give them a call, 980-521-1937. Main pollen drivers right now, juniper, maple, and poplar. And you can see today we'll see the potential for high levels of pollen. When that rain comes through, it'll give us quite a bit of relief, that's for sure. That's the one benefit of the storms coming through today. Extreme levels return for Monday and Tuesday. We'll see a brief bit of relief on Wednesday with some more rain coming through the area, and then on Thursday, extreme levels return. There's some crazy weather coming up for Thursday, and we're not talking about in terms of severe weather. We're talking about in terms of the high temperature, and we'll talk about that in just a moment with the 5-day forecast. First, the mowing forecast. I would go ahead, and if you're planning on doing anything outside, I'd go ahead and try to do it early this morning because once we head into the afternoon and evening hours, that red light's coming out because the potential for severe weather is going to go up as we move through the afternoon and evening. So you don't want to be outside during any of these storms as they come through this afternoon and evening. On Monday and Tuesday, though, We're going to be dry, so you've got green lights for both of those days. So you could just take today off and enjoy some time inside. Maybe check out the dirt track race at Bristol today. First race there in 50 years on dirt. So our first race in NASCAR in 50 years on dirt, I believe, actually. So good opportunity for you there. The 5-day forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you saw they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County weather. They'll give you $25 off your first time service call. 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms today, high of 79, low of 40. Be weather aware today, and we'll certainly keep you updated here as well. On Monday, sunny skies, high of 62. Clear skies Monday evening, low of 40. Tuesday, we'll see sunny skies with a high of 67. Mostly cloudy skies by Tuesday evening with a low of 56. On Wednesday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies. Now, it is possible that Tuesday evening going into Wednesday morning, there will be some rain that moves through the area and through the county. So don't be surprised to wake up to some wet ground on Wednesday morning. We'll see, again, mostly cloudy skies during the day, high of 71. 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms as we head into Wednesday evening with a low of 39. And then on Thursday, that is not a typo, folks. We're going to see sunny skies, high of only 52 degrees on Thursday to kick off the month of April. Unbelievable. And we'll see a low of 28 with mostly clear skies Thursday evening. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, and you want to check out the radar maybe throughout the day today to see if those showers and storms are getting close to where you may be, check out our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG TV in Salisbury. That's available on Hotwire channel 394 and Spectrum channel 16. And we'll certainly keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Sunday. And as always, thank you for following Rowan County weather.